Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a pamper routine, the one that I do during this quarantine period to kind of have a spa day at home and also to unwind. So before jumping into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I do is make myself a detox drink. So this is one thing that you can add in your routine as well. So today I'm going to make this Mossambi drink, and if I'm not wrong we call it sweet lime in English. Then take a glass, put some ice in it, and as you can see I'm adding water. Then I'm just gonna quickly put these slices and some mint as well for that flavor, and then you are pretty much good to go with your detox drink. I think this one is the most simple, but at the same time it's very refreshing. So another thing that I do is oil my hair. I've already done that the night before. So this is the oil that I'm currently using. It's a homemade oil and it actually helps with gray hair and hair fall. So if you're someone who faces that issue a lot, make sure you check the recipe down below. Okay, so now let's start with pampering our face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cleanse it very well first. Make sure you wash it or cleanse it, whatever suits you. Make sure you remove any makeup that you might have on your face. So the first thing that you need to do is properly cleanse it before putting anything on your face. So next up we are going to make a homemade scrub. You can use any scrub you have, but for today's scrub I'm going to make a coffee and coconut oil scrub. So for that you will need 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of oil. You can change the proportions according to what your face needs, but today I'm making both face and body scrub, so I'm using proportions according to that. Lastly, I'm going to add some brown sugar. So coffee is a great antioxidant. Meanwhile, coconut oil will help in moisturizing your skin, whereas brown sugar will help you removing dead skin. So it's very important that you use sugar in the scrub. You can also use normal sugar if you don't have brown sugar with you. So now after removing the scrub, it's time for the face mask. So I'm using this mud mask today. It's basically multani mitti mixed with a couple of good stuff like green tea, rose water. You can also use some regular multani mitti and rose water if it suits you. So now I'm just going to basically apply it all over my face. So after applying it, now you can basically chill, listening to some music, or you can play on your phone just like I am. So now I'm going to see after I clean this out. So I'm also going to use a sheet mask. This is the one I'm using today. So now you basically apply it on your face and make weird faces while you do that. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll see you after that. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove this sheet mask and kind of pat all the serum into my face. This is the only way to whistle all the money that you spent on this sheet mask. So now it's time to shave, relax and chill. So I'm starting off by lighting this candle. I feel candles are very relaxing and actually impact your mood a lot. But if you're not a candle person, you can use a room freshener, whatever suits you. So before shaving, I'm using this body scrub that we made before. Body scrubs can actually help you in removing dead skin, and it's just easier to shave as well. So now after shaving, it's time to shower, and it's very creepy to show you my shower, but here it is. But obviously I'm going to meet you after showering, so yeah, see you then. So now just going to wrap my routine up with some skincare. Firstly, I'm going to use some toner. Then just moisturizing with the biotic cream. Lastly, just going to put some face oil on and also a lip balm. So this is my whole pamper routine. This is what I do on days I feel like I need a pick-me-up. And yeah, that was about it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked this video as well. So I'll see you next time. Bye.